Hey friends, it's Blinky. What if you had a tiny muscle inside you that could make you hiccup? Did you know it's called the diaphragm? It helps us breathe. But here's the tricky part. Sometimes the diaphragm gets a bit mixed up and contracts too quickly, causing hiccups. Let's figure out how to stop hiccups. Drinking water or holding your breath can help. Hiccups might be annoying, but they're also a reminder of our amazing bodies. We can always find a way to make them stop, and that's something to be happy about. Join Blinky again soon for another adventure.